I only want to urge you not to be bothered too much about the negative publicity that is out there. Not to listen to the propaganda which is being propagated by the people who do not want change for the people of Garissa. We should not be bothered by the insults that they hurl at me, which is at times very shameful. As you've heard here, they have gone to the extent of calling me Swahili, Bajuni. Yet my lineage is known very well. My relatives are known, and they are seated here with me, from both my mother's side and my father's side. I think if I was to brag, I come from Land Bokor. But I don't want to brag. The people who insult my lineage, they know my lineage. People know my father. Some people here don't know the fathers of the politicians that we have in Garissa. You know? Yet, they are the ones who are loudest in calling me names, which doesn't bother me. The fact that I don't speak Somali was no fault of mine. But if I could change time, I would have made sure that I learned Somali. But I still have time. I still have time. I will make an effort to learn Somali, and the next time I come to Minneapolis, I will be speaking with you in Somali, inshallah. Let me finish by saying that I am really honored to be here in Minneapolis. And I have seen what love of a family means. And we are all one family. We are all one people. And we are all Muslims. We are brothers and sisters. There is no way we can change the fact that we are brothers and sisters and we are tied by blood. There is no way we can change that. You have shown me love. I love you